Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and I have another Maniology free box. So if you guys got in on the last one, I think I shut their system down because they changed it to where only new customers could get a free box, and then existing customers got 50% off box, but I saw it advertised again, so I am going to put another link below in the description box. Don't be messaging me saying, hey, I need the link, where is it? It's in the description box, okay? But I don't know how long it's going to last, but if you are a new customer, I mean, you can try and see if you can get it for free. You only pay shipping. And if you are a Maniology and Me subscriber, if you get the monthly box, all your shipping is free except for the free box, okay? Now, let's do this quietly. I advertised it last time in my, whatever it is, announcement for the video. So we're not going to do that this time. I'm just telling you to check the link below and see if you can get one free. This is the one I picked. They actually had 5 to choose from, and I did not have this kit, so this is the one I picked. My daughter, I sent her the link and she got one. She was a first-time buyer, and I had to pay 50%, so I think I got it for $7.99, and I get free shipping. So I pretty much paid the same as if I was not a Manny and Me subscriber, and I am an existing customer, so it was half price, and so I don't think I had to pay shipping then. Anyway, here we go. On my nails, before we go any farther, is this Brave Steven. I took the label off because she's sending me new labels. She has new branding, so Brave Steven nail polish, Rain Delay. It is a beautiful multi-chrome that shifts, and it's got sparklies in it. It's blue, it's teal, it's purple. So pretty. If you've never seen any Brave Steven nail polish, go check out her store. The link will be below. Always links below. And this is Hoshi. It is Japanese for stars, and this was her opening day in Japan collab box she had, so I don't know that this is available still. You know what, I think it is. I think maybe it is, I don't know. But it's a hollow topper, and I just went ahead and put some of it over the top of this. Although it's pretty sparkly, as you can see, on its own. So let's check out this starter kit. Oh, and you guys, I just got notification that they are shipping my tiered prizes. So for, I don't even know how they do it, but I've got 4 tiers coming: pink, turquoise, purple, and gold tiered prizes for you guys, because of you guys, for you using my code and helping me out and getting 10% off your purchase from Maniology and Me. So use my code here, Guyleen325, just like everything else, all my social media. You just all caps Guyleen325, and keep using my code. And anytime they send me anything free, I'm going to be giving it to you guys. So I don't know what's coming, but I'm going to be giving it, if not all of it, most of it away. So you want to be here for that. So here are the plates that came with this, and it comes with an ice cube stamper, which I have several of these, and I'm kind of making a pile for a giveaway. All right. Oh crap. There. Okay. This is a clear one and a little scraper. And is it just me, or it seems like these are getting a little firmer? Maybe not. And here's the polishes. So some BAM white, which I have several of, so I am going to put this aside also to put in a giveaway. And then this, oh, it's a really pretty dusty blue. Indicon. Cool. Really like that, although that is not going to show up on this. Pretty. And wow, it actually shows up pretty good over the black. So that's really what I look for, is something that, I don't know, it's hard to explain, that the color doesn't change over white or black. So you can still see it over black and it looks like the same color. So I will swatch these images for you on my giant sticky stamper. And this came from GP Stamping, and they are on Facebook out of Mexico. And you have to join their group and private message him. I just noticed there's a star in the middle of that. This is so cool. Okay, this is the Forever Young stamping starter kit from Maniology. And check the link below for maybe getting it for just shipping. May the force be with you. Alright, you guys, I upload whenever I want and on no particular schedule. So, did you guys like me doing swatches or not? I'll probably just do whatever I want to anyway, but please comment below if you have a preference. Alright, before we go, I did want to show you the stamping plate holders that I use for my Bundle Monster Maniology stuff. I think they have a couple of different options. This one is like blue, I don't know, snake skin of some kind. And it is 6.5 inches wide. I can't zoom out enough. 10 inches long, since my ruler only goes to 7. This one only holds the rectangle plates. It has 8 sheets that hold 6 plates each. So those are super nice for your collection if you are starting to collect plates. Alright, bye everybody. Look at Kitty. Kitty's water's frozen. We gotta get her some more food too. Hey, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Yeah, kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, yeah. Kitty, kitty. Yeah, give me that toy, Augie. I take it. I get that. Oh. That's Augie's toy. That's disgusting. You are such a nasty boy.